Today I am taking out this mullet. I look crazy. I've been stalling and procrastinating pretty much all day. It is now 11 a.m. It's time for me to do what I said I was going to do. So let's do it. So here is my mullet. I had to be very gentle in taking this off. So I laid down my hair. I did these 4 weak ass braids, 3, 4, they're ugly. And then I actually put this styling strip under here. It's been done to me before. Look at my nails, oh my God. And now we're about to use the Morning Glory with the brush to put on the protective shield. So here is the Morning Glory. I don't know why I call it that. That's what it's called. I don't know. I don't know. Feeling good though. Now I am cutting off the excess of the cap. Oh Lord have mercy. So I am putting glue on the wefts, girl. I don't know what is giving arts and crafts, honey. And this is where we are. Look at the face. My face is glowing because I washed my hair. For me, washing my hair means new face. I feel like I'm running out of hair because I only bought 1 pack of the black, and I wanted to do like a couple blonde little streaks in the front. Oh wait, I think I have other hair from the last hairstyle. Let me check. Bro, what the fuck do I look like? I'm trying not to freak out or anything. I'm trying to like... Anyways, okay, let me update you guys. I found some extra hair, so that's great. Happy about that. When I was buying hair, I also bought this 27 piece. Yeah, so in the longer pieces, I'm going to incorporate that kind of in like the lower crown midsection area. I'm really, please pray for me. I'm trying to just keep calm because it's what, almost 2 p.m. I have to go to the gym at like 7. I have things to do tomorrow. I'm like actually filming content on a nice camera tomorrow. So like I kind of need to look good. But if I don't look good, I will just stay home. But I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. So we're still getting through it. Yeah. Okay, y'all, this is where we're at so far. And I also have my closure piece. I'm trying to figure out, leave me alone. I'm getting a fucking text message. Leave me the fuck alone. Can everybody just leave me alone? Anyways, over here, back here. I don't fucking know. I'm still, you know, not sure. It's what? Almost 3 now. So I have made some pretty good progress within the hour, which I'm happy about, but I want to straighten it because I don't like it to be this, like, I don't want it to be too curly. Then I'm gonna glue it. This is the glue. And I go from left to right because I'm a lefty. This is messy, not perfect. That's why I say it's giving arts and crafts. And then I blow dry it because YouTube told me I could put a blow dryer on it. Okay, then I take my handy dandy mirror, oh my God. And then I kind of just use my memory and place it carefully. Ooh, child. The ghetto. The ghetto. My bathroom is unrecognizable. There is hair everywhere. I hate it. But honestly, I was really scared up until this point. Now, I feel confident. All right, you guys, I'm putting on the final piece. This is the closure. This is the space for it. I put mad glue. Okay, so I know I look like right now. Now it's time for me to cut and style. I'm gonna pull up my inspiration photo and start kind of doing that. I also have clippers. So I definitely have had at least one mental breakdown. I freaked out a couple times, but I actually am getting more perfect and it's getting closer. So please bear with me, honey. Y'all, this is how my hair turned out. Bruh, I am distraught. Oh my God. This is not. I have been depressed for like 2 hours. I cleaned everything up. There was so much hair on the floor. I cleaned it all up. I'm going to take this out and just start again tomorrow. Do something different. I'm just irritated because I was kind of banking on this hairstyle working, at least financially. But it's okay. I will maybe try again with something not so complicated. But yeah, y'all, I look crazy. I don't like it. It's giving, can I speak to your manager? Yeah, because the coupon said something like that, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm over it now. I was really down in the dumps. But you gotta laugh at stuff like this. Like, if it don't work, it's not the end of the world. Like, it's not a permanent decision I made or anything like that. So you have to laugh when you really be wanting to cry for real. But yeah, y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm back and I'm better. It's a new day and I am going to redo my hair. I was unhappy with my results. I didn't like how I was feeling. I had a bad attitude. I didn't even go to my workout class. That is unlike me, okay? So I decided to shut down my pity party, pick myself up, buy my bootstraps, and go ahead and redo my hair. So I went back to the hair store, bought some new shit, bought some new hair, went to go eat, and now I'm feeling better. I'm feeling stronger. I'm happy to kind of have a new state of mind. And I would have thought something more serious have happened, but like, with some of us girlies, like if our hair is not on point, like it can really spark a mental like a breakdown. Anywho, I'm over that. That's in the past now. I'm gonna redo my hair. I'm gonna go a little bit faster. I also made a couple of mistakes that I won't be making now. So I'm bigger, I'm badder, I'm faster. And we're gonna redo this hair and it's gonna come out perfect. We're not gonna do the same style. I decided to just completely do another style. And I will wait until the funds are available to go back to that lady because what I really want, what I tried to achieve with this hair right here is gonna require a little bit more razor cutting and precision. So that's fine. We will bookmark that hairstyle, this one, until when I get to see the lady, and I will do something a little bit more of my speed now. So let's get into it, honey. So this is what I got from Chick-fil-A. I got the spicy honey pimento, and I got some fries. It's a mukbang. Yo, this girl was like, why do y'all be eating like, did y'all see that on TikTok? Yo, that was mad funny, but let's just get a little bite. Decent. I low-key hate to admit that my hair gave me the blues. I feel like I should be able to overcome anything. However, I am a human being. Like, sometimes things don't always go my way. And I love winning so much that when I lose, I'll be like stuck. I bounce back, you know, and we'll go from here. Boy.
Visit to Aurora is an opportunity to show him and the nation, not a city overrun by Venezuelan gangs that is contrary to what the former president.
Back at it again with a better attitude and a positive mindset. Instead of the like beige cap, I am now using a black cap. So I am feeling better. I feel like I'm on the road to recovery as we do the pleasure principle hairstyle. All right, I molded down the hair. I put the cap on and then I put the Morning Glory stuff, the protective shield, or hand dried it with my hand, probably for like 20 minutes. So now it's time to do the do. Progress. Still need to cut some more off. I do have my thinning shears, and I have to finish off this wolf cut and create more space for my face and the bangs. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I think I need to reduce the weight, and I do want some more defined layers. So still working through it, but I'm feeling way better than I did yesterday. So I am getting closer. It's looking very helmet-ish. I actually really do like it. I just need to kind of connect the layers. I am not a hairdresser girly. Ooh, child, bless my heart, honey. Even if we make mistakes, it's okay. Don't beat yourself up, damn. How the f am I gonna live with this when I start running and exercising? Like, no clue. No clue, honey boo boo. But we are getting there, honey. The rocker is coming out. Really beginning to look really cute. Still need to kind of perfect it. I also know I have a tendency to over correct. Trying to not go ham. It's making a little bit of texture. I don't like how it's so thick and dense. I am feeling way better. Oh my God, I've just been playing Pleasure Principle, the video, just to see like how the hair is looking. We don't look the same, but we definitely look like related. Oh, Pleasure Principle. It's the, ooh, this is cute. Hold on, hold on. I saw something. You know when you see a glimmer of an idea and it's like, hold on. I think we have something here. Ooh, there's hair everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I literally just cleaned up a bunch of hair from yesterday's style. So I'm gonna have to do it all over again. But at least I'm doing it with a smile on my face this time. Yesterday I was doing it with a frown. I looked insane. I'm feeling better, girl. I am back, honey. Eat it up. So this is generally it. It's kind of like a shag moment. Shaggy wolf. Oh, sorry. Don't want to cover my face, so I've really been trying to open up the hairstyle with cutting, but at the same time, I cannot excessively cut, but I'm still kind of reaching perfection here. I definitely kind of want the earrings to show and be prominent. So we're almost there, but yeah, like, but I'm curling it, I'm bumping it, like more perfect. It's becoming more and more perfect, so. Oh, I took off too much on this side. I kind of like kind of to the side like this. Very cute.